Professor Dave here. Let's use subjunctive with indefinites.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
We have a pretty good grasp of when to use the subjunctive at this point, but there is still more to learn in this respect. Let's now look at a collection of words that will always require the use of the subjunctive. These are indefinite pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, or expressions, and they can be memorized. These include chiunque, which means whoever, dovunque, which means wherever, qualunque, qualsiasi, qualunque cosa, and qualsiasi cosa, which all mean whatever. Comunque, or in qualunque modo, which means however or no matter how. Per quanto, which means however much. These shouldn't be too surprising because they all convey the kind of uncertainty that we are by now quite used to associating with the subjunctive. Let's see some examples of these indefinites in action. Non glielo darò chiunque sia. Accetterò qualsiasi cosa mi offra. Lo troverò dovunque si trovi. Qualunque decisione prendiate, io vi appoggerò. Now let's practice using these indefinites with the subjunctive. For each question, fill in the blank in the response with an appropriate indefinite, along with the proper form of the verb in the subjunctive. Dove andrà Michele? Dovunque vada, non mi importa. Chi sarà alla porta? Chiunque sia, non aprirò. È larga abbastanza questa strada per passarci? Per quanto la strada sia stretta, ci passerai. Che cosa sa fare Pietro? Qualsiasi cosa faccia, la sa fare bene. Quale albergo sceglierà? Qualunque albergo scelga, gli sembrerà caro. That adds a bit more to our understanding of the subjunctive. So for a little more practice, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.